Welcome back to DLM Motorsports, and I'm Levi, and Halloween's around the corner. And damn, Don's car's pretty scary looking right now. He wants me to do some radiator coolant passage, something to go to the filler neck, and something he did wrong. But we're going to be working on this turd here. As soon as he gets here, I got to move around the trailer. Oh, look, there's the kitty cat. He just came over and last night and just dropped his stuff in the middle of the yard. So we got to move that and kind of put it out of the way so we can park here. Here we go. Let's see what he wants done. John just said something after cheating on me. What did you say?
If you love something, set it free. If it comes back, it was meant to be. That's Shakespeare or something, probably.
It always comes back.
Oh, this is its second home.
Look at this. It's back.
It's back. It still needs fabrication, even though...
The work that was done to it is very nice, though.
Honestly, I saved you the headache of having to deal with it.
Yeah, it was a time crunch. And I was unable to do it because I had prior commitments.
I mean,
and he wants everything done yesterday. Always done yesterday. Just like this. Here, he's got a race for me. Oh, although he is going to go race this next weekend or whatever for 10 grand. 13 grand. So I can pay for that other turd that's over there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That never gets work done.
No, because you gotta buy stuff and pay for stuff.
Chill.
See? So what we have here is a creation of retardness, ambition, and the want to go faster than you should. So we're gonna put a number 6 AN in the side of this. But we're gonna try to figure out. There's a bolt back there. We gotta try to get that out. Go, Don, go. Go, Don, go. This was his street car. It doesn't look so much like a street car anymore.
This thing to Walmart right now.
Not without it overheating at this moment. Not without it overheating.
Why are you exposing my issues, dude?
Dang, when you roll up and see the customer already here, hopefully he fed my chickens. He's here already, working on his own car in my shop. I hope he's doing something right. Are you on the phone?
Yeah, I was.
We're jamming.
I was calling.
We're getting stuff done.
Pit crew, dude. Let them know we don't have to leave on Friday, dude.
Here we go. Look at that. Look at that festive battery. So now that we turned this little piece down right here in the lathe, we can stick it in the hole and weld them together. Let's do it! And Don can have coolant going from that side of the engine to this side of the engine instead of capping it off where he shouldn't have capped it off. Oopsie! It smells like coolant. Now that it's stuck to it, it don't come out. Let's run the beads. I'll tell you, I ain't no professional at this, but I can make stuff stick together. Well, I guess it's not too bad. I believe we're gonna have a happy customer. Don's busy at work. We're hooking up this doodad right here. See, that's what I welded on down there.
That may not fit.
Come on, fit it.
Rotate that.
See that thing? There it is. Just two retards doing retarded stuff. He means business when he puts his steering wheel on. Is she Gucci?
Did water come out of that? That hose right there by the tire?
The hose?
Yeah, this. No?
This thing? What the hell's this?
That goes to the cat now.
No, there's no water. Oh, that's the can? It used to shoot water out of it. There's no water coming out of it now. Dude, my eyes are burning.
Spanking.
So what we did here is we ran this line back over to the filler neck. You can see it way over there. Because she was pushing water out the overflow right there. And I think we just cured an issue. That would be a win in Don's book. Huh, Don?
Yeah.
Fix one problem, another one arises. Hopefully not. What are you doing in there?
Low alarm. Cancel. Low alarm will make 15.5.
So I heard some ruckus last night after I went back inside, and I came out this morning and car's gone. Don must be going racing. Hope he does well. So stay tuned. I have a feeling we're going to be putting weights on this. That's kind of what we discussed on the front, because this powerhouse likes to wheelie. So stay tuned. Catch you on the cacahuata. I don't know really what to say. So, yeah, that's that. Turn up, Don. Go win us some money so we can finish the turd over there.